Now let's take a look at how to resize and make your image even smaller.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So let's click right away to this compress image. And for some reason, you see that it takes us from this site, resizeimage.net, to they have a special thing for, compress image dot whatever. So you upload your image, that very same image that we've been messing around with. You see that this is the one, the 316 KB. And what's going to happen is, let's give it a 60%, let's say. And you can also play around with these different compression methods, and it's up to you. But let's give it 60%, and we're going to compress. And it's going to say, it's asking for a few seconds, and it's going to say, hey, okay, we did it's almost twice smaller. Now let's see what happens if we give it 50%. We're going to say compress images, and it's going to ask us to wait a few seconds, and it's going to give us, wow, even a little bit smaller, you see. So you kind of have reducing benefits here. You didn't reduce it by this much. So there's an issue of, making sure that your image size remains quality enough for your website. Now this begins to take more of a importance than just having just a little bit, tiny bit more space, because remember, we did this reduction, represents almost a 10 times. We've reduced the image to almost 10 times less than the original size was. So this is quite a bit smaller. So if this works for you in terms of how it still appears, you can upload it to your site. You can download it right here and then upload it to your site, and then boom, your image will be 10 times smaller and it will upload that much faster. And then if you do this for all of your images, it will just upload the whole page will upload way faster, and it will work to your advantage.